In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send available meeting times in Google Calendar via Gmail. This is a great way to streamline scheduling by offering your availability directly through email. We'll walk through the steps, starting from crafting your email to seamlessly integrating your free times into it. So let's dive in. To begin, open Gmail and start by composing a new email or replying to an existing one. This will be the stage where you set the context for your meeting invitation and where you'll eventually add your available times. Once you've written your message, whether it's a brief greeting or a more detailed introduction about the purpose of the meeting, head down to the bottom of the message area. There you'll spot 3 vertical dots that represent the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a few features, one of which you'll be using next: set up a time to meet. Selecting this option gives you the ability to offer times directly from your Google Calendar. From the drop down that appears, choose Offer Times You're Free. This step is where the magic happens, allowing you to begin selecting times from your calendar. A calendar grid will pop up. You'll see your free and busy times displayed in a familiar layout. Use this grid to pinpoint and select the slots when you're available. This visualization helps you avoid the hassle of typing out specific times and ensures that you don't accidentally double book yourself. Select as many times as you'd like to offer. This flexibility allows you to cater to the busy schedules of your contacts, presenting them with multiple options to choose from. Once you've selected your available times, click on the Next button. This will prompt you to progress to the next screen where you have the option to add a title for the event. This is particularly useful if you want to remind the recipient about the meeting's subject. Titles make your invitation clear and professional, providing additional context to the receiver about the nature of the meeting. After adding your title, or if you decide to skip that step, the next course of action is to click on Add to Email. Your chosen times will now be integrated into your email draft, which the recipient can interact with. This allows them to pick a convenient time directly from the email, simplifying the scheduling process greatly. That's it. Now your email, complete with selectable times, is ready to be sent. The recipient can choose the time that best suits them, ensuring a seamless scheduling experience without the back and forth you might encounter otherwise. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps make your scheduling process smoother and more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides to optimize your digital life.